The International Criminal Court upholds its jurisdiction over the case of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The court rejected his argument that the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute in 2018 stripped the ICC's authority over the case. Joash Malimban joins us for the latest. Joash, go ahead.
The International Criminal Court has ruled that it has jurisdiction to prosecute former President Rodrigo Duterte for alleged crimes against humanity, rejecting his argument that the Philippines' 2018 withdrawal from the Rome Statute stripped the court of authority over his case. In a unanimous ruling released Thursday, October 23, the ICC Pretrial Chamber 1 dismissed Duterte's jurisdictional challenge. The court held that the prosecutor's preliminary examination before the Philippines' withdrawal took effect was enough to preserve its authority over alleged crimes committed during Duterte's administration. The chamber stated that the court can exercise its jurisdiction in the present case over the crimes alleged against Mr. Duterte that were committed on the territory of the Philippines while it was a state party. It added that the country's withdrawal shall not prejudice in any way the continued consideration of any matter already under consideration by the court prior to the date on which the withdrawal became effective. The legal dispute revolved around whether the Philippines' exit from the Rome Statute cut off the ICC's jurisdiction over alleged offenses committed while the country was still a member. Duterte's defense team claimed that the court lost its authority when it authorized a full investigation in September 2021, more than 2 years after the withdrawal. They argued that the Rome Statute requires a state to be a party at the time that the court exercises its jurisdiction. The defense further insisted that the 2018 preliminary examination was too informal to be considered a matter under consideration by the court, calling it an internal and non-justiciable process.
Joash, has the camp of the former president given a comment on the issue?
We haven't received any word yet from the Duterte camp, but we scheduled an interview later with Attorney Salvador Panelo, which is one of the most vocal critics of the jurisdiction of the ICC over the Philippines during the time when the country was still a member of the state party.
George, with this development, the other thing that we are waiting for is a decision on whether former President Duterte is fit to stand trial. Any update on when a decision on this will come out?
You're right, we're still awaiting for the latest ruling of the ICC regarding the matter. But so far, the latest decision from the ICC was to suspend the confirmation of charges of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And while they are still evaluating the fitness of ex-President Duterte to stand trial for the confirmation of charges, the confirmation of charges trial will remain suspended.
Thank you for the update, Joash Malimban.